Freedom's SuperClamp assembly requires an 8mm hex key and wrench, which is not included. Insert hitch tight into receiver bar. Install unassembled receiver bar into vehicle hitch. Insert bolt from the driver's side of the hitch. Tighten using 3/4 inch wrench. Slide lock over end of bolt. Remove rubber bolt covers from bracket bolts on both crossbars. Align bolts with inner bracket on receiver bar. Affix using nuts. Tighten with hex key and wrench. Repeat process for outer crossbar. Made in Madison, Wisconsin, and comes with a lifetime warranty. This video is not meant to replace the owner's manual.